evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday night, 9/26/2021, or September 26, 2021. This isn't financial advice. The video is educational. Click the subscribe and the bell if you want to be notified. Click the thumbs up. Share the video. We're talking about Fetch.AI, artificial intelligence. Intraday Updates on that Twitter link below the video. Click on that. By the way, you could also click on this, Reform Blogger. This is a stock channel which talks about stocks on a Reformed Blogger YouTube channel. I do the tech analysis and co-host it with a buddy of mine, MJ. Definitely go take a look at that. In the meantime, let's go over and take a look at Fetch. Fetch is on a subtle tear. Again, we're kind of sideways again. 78 cents was our last read on the last video. We're at 82 cents right now. Good for, I don't know, what is that, 5% maybe? Can't even do the math. It's so late on Sunday night, and I got work tomorrow. But here's the great thing about this whole thing is we're starting to get into a little bit of a job of a pattern here. I don't kind of feel like we're going to be in this chop for a bit, sideways to slightly up maybe, starting to see us starting to pull up. So this is not too bad. Bitcoin certainly catching a bit as well, but we're here to talk about Fetch right now. So let's go take a look at the Bitcoin pair. So I think we're going to be somewhere range bound, by the way, on the Fetch US dollar between 78 and 94. We're at 82 right now. We're in the middle of the road. Let's see how this pans out, and we'll keep you posted on Twitter on that. Fetch to Bitcoin, just couldn't break this. Couldn't break it. We were close, man. It was starting to smell good. I even tweeted about this, but unfortunately did not get past it. I just want everyone to be aware of it. Didn't mean that we were really breaching that resistance line, but man, we really wanted to get through it. But, I guess we lost a bit of momentum. We're back down to 1877. We were at 1860 on Friday. So, nothing really changing here. Kind of exactly what we expected, this sideways move. And, speaking of sideways move, let's look at Bitcoin US dollar. Same thing, sideways move. Don't think we're going to be going anywhere between 40,700 and 47,268. Think we're going to go chop, 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 chop all the way to the end. What's the end? The end is on October 4th. October 4th, mark your calendars. It probably happened before then because a lot of these breakouts happen beforehand. So, again, I think within the next 2 weeks, week and a half or so, something's going to happen. I just don't think it's going to happen tomorrow. But let's keep our eyes on it. You never, ever know. But again, this pattern was very reminiscent of the Bitcoin price action between June and August of this year. Now, let's go take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, which I call the fear factor. I keep saying this so many times today on all these videos, but the fear factor in the stock market, for example, is the VIX. Well, here in crypto land, we don't have a VIX. Well, this is the VIX. Lately, the Bitcoin dominance has been exactly the VIX. Every single time this thing starts spiking up, you can see Bitcoin selling off terribly, meaning that if Bitcoin's selling off terribly, then you can imagine that the altcoins are obviously selling off more. So because retail investors are more concentrated in the altcoin market relative to institutions, that's where you're going to start to see all that fear kind of bleed out. And that's exactly what goes on here. So think of Bitcoin dominance as a fear index for cryptos as a general rule of thumb. That's pretty much all I have right now. But, keep your eye on this. I don't see much happening here. Again, it's going to be, either sideways or slightly up, slightly down. Nothing crazy, but I'll keep you all posted tomorrow. Hang in there. Take it easy.